I swear to God, if I hear anything talking about my hangers not being wooden, I'm gonna... What's going on, people? It's ggooca, and today I have a very special video just for y'all. Thanks to Mr. Owen and Miss Best Dressed, I've been inspired to make a wardrobe video for you guys. This is gonna be a little guide to menswear wardrobe essentials. And nah, this isn't gonna be a general sense of what you need. This is gonna be my personal favorites for what I have and what I would recommend to have in your closet. This is gonna be a list of 9 things. I'm gonna put everything in the description, timestamp it, all that shit. So y'all get ready and enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So the first piece that's gonna be on my list is gonna be trucker jackets. Personally, I think guys should have a staple jacket in their closet at all times, and I think trucker jackets do a great job of looking luxurious but in a casual way. It really separates itself from its counterparts like the hoodies or the extra shit like bubble coats, fur coats, and all that. It has its own distinct look, comes in a lot of different fabrics, types, and colors. As you can see, I have this olive corduroy jacket from Forever 21 that I got a year ago. I really love this, and like I said, they come in a lot of different textures and fabrics. Corduroy on a jacket? Fuego. Also, I have a blue denim Zara jacket with a Sherpa inside lining. And then I have another jacket from Forever 21 that I've had for a couple years. All black, on my rock band biker boy type of shit. I love these. Personally, I like to keep my trucker jacket short around the waist area so my shirts can be seen and it doesn't look like a Roman Catholic nun's gown. Now, if you want affordable trucker jackets, I would suggest going to Forever 21, H&M, ASOS, those type of shops. And if you're leaning towards a more higher price tag with better quality, durability, and texture, I would say places like Zara, Rude, Alix, so on. There's so many brands that have these jackets. Just this jacket in general, amazing. At number 2, the second thing that every guy should have in their wardrobe arsenal: rings. As I've said in one of my previous videos, rings elevate your fucking outfits to the superior maximum exilius cotillion, whatever that number is. They take being a plain average Joe to a stylish young Prince of England. But honestly, I think guys should be wearing rings because it's a way to add depth and personality to their outfits, as well as complement it depending on what colors they're wearing. I have about 5 rings right now. They're all silver because I like how classy and casual it looks. Makes me look more like a professional in some way. We got the wolves, the snake, and so on. I get a lot of questions about where I get my rings, and for the basics, you can go to Amazon and Etsy. Literally, most of my rings are from Etsy. All you have to do is go to etsy.com, type in whatever type of ring style, color, or metal you want, and then you put in the shape, and I'm sure it will come up. They have a lot of great sellers who do amazing, crazy designs. You can even get them custom made too. Now, on the more expensive side, you have places like the Great Frog, the Silverstone, and Chrome Hearts. And I'm only speaking from my experience because I only wear silver. These jewelry places also offer some great gold rings too if you're into gold. So go get that. Swaggy B on the beat. Alright, at the number 3 spot, and dude, I cannot stress this enough: black pants. Black pants. I have some on right now. Oh shit. Excuse my toes. I really don't have too much to say about why you should get black pants. It's self-explanatory. They're sleek, they're professional, they're undercover, or I might be an emo goth kid hiding under African American skin. Who knows? In my closet though, black is heavily prominent. Almost all of my pants are black. I only have a few outliers of colors. Whether you're chilling, going to a casual spot, or at a business event, black pants will do you so much service. They literally go with everything. Scientists say that it makes you look slimmer. I'm not too sure about that, but y'all can go ahead and run with that. I don't want to give y'all no BS statistics. Most of my black pants come from H&M or the thrift stores. I don't really invest too much money into pants unless it's jeans, since I don't want them to rip or some shit. Easily my favorite type of pants. I'm probably never gonna stop wearing them. I'm probably gonna die in my casket with some black pants. But hey, go get you some. Okay, at the number 4 spot, we have light wash denim, because honestly, dark for some reason looks terrible on me, and I mean terrible. Fun fact, I recently got my first pair of jeans since the last 5 years. Deadass. It's so hard for me to find jeans. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm built like an exotic dancer below my waist. It takes a long time to find pants that fit my needs, my style, and my fit. But eventually, if you keep searching, deadass, put some goggles on and keep looking, eventually you will find what you're looking for. Trust me. Now, when it comes to denim wash types, personally, I believe that whatever your skin tone is, there's a certain wash of jeans that will look good with your skin and correlate well with you, and some, you gotta throw them away. So yeah, light wash denim. You can pretty much wear these at any time of the year, any season, any temperature. These are a men's staple. I got mine from Levi's. These are the 501s, original fit. I found out that these fit amazing on me and they stack really well at the bottom. Now, when it comes to your denim, you want to make sure that you aren't investing in some cheap shit. Forever 21, knock it out. H&M, knock it out. All that other shit, knock it out. You want your pants to last you a while, and I'm talking about years, up to 5-10 years. If you get these from places like Minimal or Levi's, I'm pretty sure you won't get some Ripatron 9000 action. Plus, it really isn't that expensive. It's probably gonna run you from 40 to $100. Now, if you want to go up a notch, obviously you got your designers, Acne Studios, for example. But if you want to get crazy, I would recommend this young guy named Cam Versetti. He does some DIY fly looking shit, especially for you streetwear enthusiasts. This guy is the shit. Alright, next on my list at the number 6 spot is to make sure that you guys have a pair of some casual shoes. No, I'm not talking about streetwear kicks. No, I'm not talking about no tap dancing, ballroom, going crazy shoes. Nah, I mean something that's nice, wearable in any occasion, any situation, but isn't too formal. Now for these, I would personally stick to a lower platform shoe, particularly the Converse, the Vans, or the Reebok Club 85s. These are some really nice shoes to wear anywhere, whether you're going for a casual look or a more dressed up look. You could vary between dressing these up or down. Either way, these shoes look amazing. Now for the casual shoe category, I would lean more towards a white shoe since it's more clean and representable opposed to a black shoe. Not saying that a black shoe isn't wearable in a casual sense. As long as you got a touch of white somewhere in the shoe, you're pretty much good to go. But like I said, Vans, Converse, Reebok Club 85s, those are the cheaper, more affordable options. Now, if you want to level up, I have a great shoe for you guys. There's so many variations of these shoes, which are the Rick Owens, Ramones. These are the dark shadow versions. Fucking sick, classy, low platform type of shoe. Like I said, since I'm a person that loves to wear black, I need to get an all black shoe. But as you can see, opposed to being all black, this shoe has cream going around and some white detailing on the top. These are gonna run you about 300 bucks. These go with any type of pants, trousers, shorts. They look really good. Besides looking like the stereotypical nerd, glasses, button-up shirt, and casual shoes, these shoes are really great if you wanna go out, look real clean and nice, and have that presentable presence to you. The common projects are pretty popular. On top of that, you got your APCs and your Acne Studio shoes. Okay, number 6, and this is the piece that everybody in the world talks about in their videos, but I promise you, I got y'all. Please make sure that you guys are going out and getting you some nice black and white t-shirts, man. T-shirts are a wardrobe essential, especially if you like to wear jeans, simple outfits. They're quick, easy to put on, easy to get out in. On top of that, if you're wearing your designer outerwear, your statement pieces, if you have a nice white or black plain tee, you can't really go wrong. It's gonna look clean, smooth, and professional. Now this is important. When you guys are going out and picking your t-shirts, you guys need to make sure that it's fitting you properly, that it's the texture you want, and it's the quality that you desire. Certain shirts out here are garbage. Highly optical for you guys to go out into these stores and try on your t-shirts just to make sure you fit, and you won't be out here complaining because the arms aren't long enough on my shirt. Now for the fit of your white tees, personally, I like it slim, a little high on the arms so my biceps are showing. But depending on your style, you might want a loose boxier, more flowy type of look, which is understandable and that looks great too. It just depends how you style it. Now for the brands, you can get you some nice Gildan white and black tees, honestly. On top of that, you have your Hanes, which is what I'm wearing right now. Nice quality, but affordable tee. I think I got a pack for about 12 bucks for 6. Pretty good. Now for the higher quality types of shirts, you want to be looking at places like Uniqlo. They have some exceptional t-shirts, man. I think they're about $5 each. It's a pretty good price if you want that high quality, good fit shirt. Go get that. Also, I recently just found out about this place called Everlane. There is some insane high priced, trust me, but it's good. It's good quality. 18 bucks, I think, for the shirt. I would say it's important to start at your basics, like your tees, to make sure you have a great foundation before you jump into these clothes, because you need somewhere to start. And if you don't have a solid foundation, you won't have any clothes to fall back on. If you're a person that likes to resell to get your money back, like, what are you gonna do when you don't want to wear this shit no more? What are you gonna do when you don't like your clothes anymore? Tough shit. At number 7, a wardrobe essential that every man should have: chains and necklaces. Just like rings, chains do the same thing. They express who you are through a jewelry piece. If you're not the type of guy that wears rings, I would make sure to get a necklace to separate yourself from all these other guys in any form, shape, or way possible. These shits are really nice to have, and depending on your outfit, you can stack them on top of each other and have a nice looking effect. Just like my rings, I keep my necklaces silver as well. I have this double-edged sword from Etsy on my neck. For me, it resembles fearlessness and courage. Just a daily reminder that I could overcome anything put in my path if I really had to. Then I got this barbed wire 18-inch stainless steel piece. It has no meaning to me, bro. I just thought it was cool. Honestly, there really isn't a limitation on how creative you can get when it comes to necklaces and chains. You can style them up with a lot of different shit, and depending on how you pull it off, you could turn a lot of heads. All of my necklaces, I got it from Etsy, just like my rings. You go on there, type of what you want. Something should pop up in your desired style. Also, you have your small Instagram shops. I really like this place called Hard Jewelry. I'll put the link in the description for them. There's hella different styles. I'm pretty sure you guys will find a piece that you will unexpectedly find and fall in love with. Now at the number 8 spot, we have something a little different. I personally believe that as a guy, you should have something in your wardrobe that garners and steals people's attention. Whether you got a nice watch, a cool ass pair of shades, or a fanny pack for some of you guys. You gotta have it, bro. You have to have something in your arsenal that makes people go, God damn, who the fuck is that guy? For me personally, it would be these Korean pocket bags. I don't really wear these as much as I used to. I only pull them out for special occasions, you know what I'm saying? These are crazy pockets going all around your body on some military shit. I got a couple jokes here and there. We got some psycho jokes, some robot jokes, and we got some school shooter jokes. All the same shit. But hey, fire. I throw them over my back like some suspenders on some nerdy shit. But turns out they give me a little spice. Some edge to me that captures people's attention and makes them get off of their social media that they're glued to and look at me. And that's what you want to have. It doesn't have to be this. It could be through your jewelry. It could be through your rings. It's a lot of avenues to take, but you have to have something that is a statement on your body. That's the game changer. Now, in addition to game changers, this is going to lead into my last thing on the list of what to be wearing, or to have actually, in your menswear arsenal. And the last thing is going to be to have good hygiene, motherfucker. Brush your teeth. Dog, I don't know how to stress this enough. It doesn't matter what you have on. It doesn't matter how much you have on. Dog, if your breath smells like ancient Greek yogurt, your outfit stinks. It's also essential to keep up with your skincare. I know I don't have the best skin, these black marks on my face, but you have to make sure that you have the closest thing to clear skin as you can. I am not a damn dermatologist, but you have face wash, you have night creams. Make sure that you're keeping your skin clean, brushing your teeth, all that shit. And on top of that, have some of these in your arsenal. I can't tell y'all the brands. I should go to a fragrance channel. This is the only secret that I can't tell. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up with this video. The beginner's guide to menswear wardrobe essentials. Hopefully I learned something new, and hopefully y'all can understand my thought process when it comes to my style. I saw a lot of wardrobe tutorials that really didn't get into depth when it came to brands, quality, fit. So I wanted to just make a video and help out some people just in case there was some left out information. If y'all appreciated this video, make sure y'all go down and drop a like, a comment, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new. There's honestly been a fuck ton of new subscribers to my channel and I appreciate y'all. Come on in, welcome aboard. With that being said though, appreciate y'all for watching this video. Take care, I'll see y'all later.